Do you want to organize your American Express transactions in Excel? This tutorial shows you how to download your Amex activity and import it into a spreadsheet. The American Express website makes it easy to export your transaction data. First, log into your American Express online account. Go to the Statement and Activity section. Then select the date range you want to review. Click on the Download Activity button. American Express offers several file formats. Choose CSV, which stands for comma-separated values. This format works best with Excel. The download starts automatically. Save the CSV file to a folder you can find easily. Name it something like Amex Transactions and the date. Now open Microsoft Excel. Go to the Data tab. Click on From Text CSV. Navigate to the file you just downloaded and select it. Excel opens the Import wizard. Make sure the delimiter is set to comma. Check that the data preview looks correct. Click Load to bring the data into your worksheet. You now have all your transactions in a clean spreadsheet. You can sort by date or amount. Add formulas to calculate totals. Create pivot tables to analyze your spending by category. Format the data as a table for better readability. Use the Format as Table option in the Home tab. This adds filters to each column. You can then filter by merchant or transaction type. Save your Excel file for future reference. You can repeat this process each month. Set a reminder to download your transactions regularly. This helps with budgeting and tax preparation. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more personal finance tutorials.